Washington State Patrol, on behalf of the Idaho Police Department, has issued an Amber Alert for a 2-year-old male named Ruby Reyes. He has black hair and brown eyes and was last seen in Stinker Station in Nampa, Idaho, wearing a gray and white t-shirt, hooded sweatshirt, no pants, just a diaper. He may be in the company of Rodolfo Reyes, a 36-year-old male. Is 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 190 pounds, with black eyes and brown hair. He is wearing a white tank top with jeans and has multiple tattoos. They may be traveling in a 2008 gray Lexus IS 200T with Idaho license plate number 2CTJ90, or a gray 2018 Honda Civic 2-door Idaho license plate 019YOR. If you have information, please call 911.
Sweatshirt, no pants, just a diaper. He may be with the company of Rodolfo Reyes, a 36-year-old male. He's 5 feet 9
So there's
inches
two
tall,
alerts.